I am about to install heated seats in this yellow T5R. I have the seats out, ready to put in the pads. It looked like it may be pre-wired. There's a black connector there, a gray connector there. Same on the other side, gray connector, black connector. However, I really don't know how to do this because I've never done it before. Never even seen one of these kits. And my guy here, one of my viewers, supporters here in California, was gonna have me install these for him. Looking at the wiring diagram, it looks like the car may be pre-wired. Now I have a relay here and a fuse there, but looking at the wiring diagram, it looks like it may take two fuses in that one relay. Not 100% sure. He had the wire harness and switches that go back to the center console. And I believe this system works on a timer system. You turn it on and it operates the heated pads for, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then they go off. And then you can flip the switch to activate them again. Now again, that's the relay. This harness looks like it goes from those switches up to the center console, up by the shifter. So it's got that yellow accessory plug up there. Not sure if it's got all the blades that it needs to power that, but hopefully it does, especially if it's pre-wired for these heated seats. So if anybody has some input, I'm mainly concerned about the pads. I'm not sure if those pads are proper for this application, but I got this pad here, 641, which is a small pad. It might look like it'd be nice for a heating up your buttocks, and running a wire back to that gray connector. But these pads up here that has the black connector, they look longer than they need to be. And I'm not sure if this pad is for an entire seat. Maybe it's for a seat that is heating up the bottom and the top at the same time. I just don't know. It looks like it has this seam in there, and I don't know if that seam is for this, so it can heat up from your bottom all the way up to the back. I'm just guessing. So if anybody has any input, of course, this is the part number I'm putting in on the bottom, and that's the part number I'm putting in for the top. I know those don't jive with the part numbers that's in this old post, but heck, I don't know how these part numbers and all go together. So if I don't get any feedback soon, I'm just gonna wing it and see if I can get this thing installed.